Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Finger Loom is probably one of the most versatile and accessible crafting tools available today, allowing anyone to create beautiful woven items with just their hands and a few simple tools. Whether you're a seasoned crafter looking for a new challenge or a complete beginner eager to dive into the world of textiles, this compact and user-friendly device opens up a universe of creative possibilities, from cozy scarves and hats to intricate bags and home decor. Its simplicity belies the complexity of patterns and textures you can achieve, making it a fantastic option for all skill levels. Number 5. Dickies Men's Dri-Tech Moisture Control Quarter Socks. Introducing Dickies Dri-Tech Moisture Control Quarter Socks. Designed to keep your feet dry and comfortable all day long. These socks feature advanced moisture wicking technology. They pull sweat away from your skin, keeping you cool and dry. Available in a wide range of sizes from M to XXL. You're sure to find the perfect fit for your feet. Choose from convenient packs of 6, 12, or 18 pairs. Stock up and save on essential comfort. Crafted with Dickies' renowned durability, these socks are built to last. Experience long-lasting comfort and performance. Whether you're on the job or enjoying your free time, these socks provide the support and comfort you need. What we like. If you prioritize comfort and performance during physical activity, these are the socks for you. They offer superior moisture wicking and cushioning to keep your feet dry and comfortable. Choose these if you're an athlete or someone who spends a lot of time on their feet. What people say. They're comfortable, breathable, and have just enough cushioning without feeling bulky. I have finally found socks that don't wear out in a month. The quality of these socks are better than the swoosh brand I was buying. These socks have a snug but comfortable fit thanks to the engineered arch compression and instep support. They stay in place all day without sliding down or bunching in shoes, which I really appreciate during long days on my feet. Number 4. Rainbow Loom Original Bracelet Making Kit. Introducing the Original Bracelet Making Kit, a multi-award-winning craft that sparks creativity in kids. This toy has been recognized globally, including winning Toy of the Year in 2014. It's a proven favorite for a reason. With enough supplies included, you can create up to 24 colorful bracelets. You can also make necklaces, rings, and more. It's the perfect creative outlet for boys and girls aged 7 and up. It encourages imagination and fun crafting. Using our unique technique helps develop fine motor skills as you create designs from simple to advanced. It's both fun and educational. Explore your imagination and create a wide variety of items, from bracelets to charms and even action figures. The possibilities are endless. What we like. If you're looking for a classic and highly rated crafting experience, this is the one. It's the original and has won multiple awards, ensuring a quality creative outlet. This is perfect for kids aged 7 and up who want to explore their artistic side and make unique bracelets. What people say. My kids paid for this out of their allowance and it unfortunately got lost in the mail. However, Amazon's customer service was fantastic and quickly sent us a new one. They have made 3D footballs for the Super Bowl and even a snake all out of rubber bands. I love how easy it is for them to use. They are 8 and 10 and can complete a lot of the projects with no help. Seems like a very high quality product. Rainbow Loom is a perfect gift for Christmas or birthdays. It helps stimulate creativity and improves fine motor skills. It keeps kids engaged while they create colorful designs, making it both fun and educational. This is the authentic Rainbow Loom. I purchased the one sold and shipped by Amazon. It does have the metal tip, and has the Rainbow Loom branding on all of the items. My daughter was able to make a bracelet on her own, with me only showing her the first steps one time. After making a bracelet with me, she went off and made a necklace by herself as her second ever creation, with a cute pattern to boot. The necklace was made on the Finger Loom. She did ask for help connecting the ends, but that's it. I was surprised with how quickly she picked it up. I made a bracelet on the Finger Loom with the bands from the set, and it was super thick and cool. I don't know which step I did differently, but I'm pretty proud of my first creation, too. I will say that the Finger Loom is best, and was the easiest if you're just wanting to make a bracelet or necklace of only bands. You can literally just keep going and going to any length you desire on the Finger Loom. It is a great addition to the Rainbow Loom brand. Number 3. Made by Me Ultimate Weaving Loom Kit. Discover the joy of crafting with this Ultimate Weaving Loom Kit. It provides everything you need to create amazing woven projects. With 378 vibrant loops in 9 rainbow colors, you can make up to 25 unique creations. From pot holders to bags, the possibilities are endless. No sewing is required with this kid-friendly kit. The easy-to-use hook tool and sturdy loom make weaving simple and enjoyable for everyone. This kit is more than just fun, it's a great screen-free activity that helps develop fine motor skills and color recognition. It's the perfect introduction to the art of weaving. Inside, you'll find a weaving loom, a hook tool, and 378 craft loops in a variety of colors. Plus, easy-to-follow instructions to get you started right away. What we like? If you want a comprehensive and easy-to-use weaving kit, this is an excellent choice. It allows for a wide variety of projects with plenty of colorful loops and a simple, no-sew process. This is ideal for beginners and children looking to develop fine motor skills and color recognition through fun, hands-on activities. What people say. This kit comes with lots of loops in various colors so you can make several potholders crafts without having to buy more loops. Granddaughter loves making potholders. Very bright colors. The size was bigger than I expected. Good surprise. Number 2. 12080 plus loom band set for bracelet making. Discover a world of crafting possibilities with this extensive set. It's packed with everything you need to create unique bracelets and more. Inside, you'll find thousands of colorful bands, clips, beads, charms, and all the tools required for your DIY projects. Get ready to craft. Craft with confidence. These bands are made from high-quality, non-toxic, latex-free material, ensuring safety and durability for all your creations. Keep your supplies neat and tidy with the included storage case. It's perfect for crafting on the go and helps develop organizational skills. Looking for a gift? This set is ideal for kids aged 5 to 12, encouraging creativity, focus, and hands-on fun. It's also a great way for adults to relax. Step away from screens and engage in a rewarding activity. It's a fantastic way to boost your child's practical skills and strengthen family connections. What we like? If you're seeking a massive quantity of supplies for endless crafting possibilities, this set is for you. It comes with a convenient storage case to keep everything organized, and it's great for family bonding. This is perfect for those who love making bracelets and want a kit that encourages creativity and reduces screen time for kids, while also being a fun activity for adults and seniors. What people say. A lot of colors, bands, fun for kids and easy way to stay organized. Great big kit. Everything don't fit in the case, but it is a good case. Colors are great and has great variety. All my kids ages 5 to 12 love it. This is great because it's very affordable for all the options you get, rather than rainbow loom. It's almost identical and has so many other things like stickers and feathers and tassels and keychains. Number 1. Rainbow Loom Mega Combo Set. Introducing the Rainbow Loom Mega Combo Set, your all-in-one kit for endless crafting fun. It's packed with everything you need to get started. This set includes over 7,000 rubber bands in 21 vibrant colors, plus all the accessories you need. You'll have more than enough to bring any design to life. Learn to create 2 unique bracelet designs with our easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need is included to help you master new skills. Our bands are made from high-quality, latex-free rubber, ensuring great elasticity and vibrant color. Your creations will last for years to come. This kit is an ideal DIY activity for kids aged 7 and up. It promotes fine motor skills and cognitive thinking while building confidence. Everything comes neatly organized in a convenient case, making it perfect for travel, group activities, or parties. Enjoy hours of creative play anywhere. What we like? If you're looking for a large, all-inclusive kit that promotes creativity and learning through crafting, this is a fantastic option. It provides a huge number of bands in various colors and comes with everything needed to start making intricate designs. This is ideal for kids aged 7 and up who enjoy DIY projects, want to improve their fine motor skills, and engage in STEAM activities. What people say. The colors of the bands are vibrant, pretty, and fun, and we love the variegated bands, too. The clever tool that helps make the more complex designs was easy to use with the clear directions included. Mom loves the organizer case because everything stays in one spot, and the box clicks shut tightly and stays shut. It has enough colors to keep occupied for hours and all fits nicely and organized in a case to keep it all clean and easy to make. The variety of colors and also the vibrancy of the colors is amazing. They're slightly greasy to touch, but it stops them from sticking together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.